guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. So I have bought the Lululemon belt bag, the large belt bag in fleece in white. I decided to be a bit risky. I don't have a fleece belt bag and I don't have a white belt bag, and then I saw this on sale and it was such a good price, and I just thought I have to buy it because it's just so nice and wintry. So I've taken it out of the packaging and this is how it has arrived. So let's open it and see what it's like. So I've also got my City Adventurer belt bag in black with me just to compare the sizing. So I actually really like it. It looks nice. So it's really cute. So it has a compartment at the back, which is very handy. I use the back compartment for my phone so I can slide it in and keep it next to me at all times. And I really like because the zip is a bit like, it's not silver, and this has gold lining here, so it's actually really it is different and it's really cute. So let's see, take this out. Oh, amazing. So there's so much more space compared to the other belt bag. It has some netting here where you can put stuff in, and then it has two compartments here, and then it's got all of this. So let's compare it to the City Adventurer belt bag, which is here. So I've had this for a while. I use it all the time. It's the bag when, if it's raining, I'll wear this, or if I'm going like for the school run, I use this. So it's the shape of this is square, so I feel like you can actually pack more stuff in, whereas this tends to be this sort of shape, and it is sometimes quite difficult because you have to squeeze things in, or if you're rummaging around while you're wearing it. I wear this across my waist, it's hard to squeeze them out, so this seems like it will fit more. Pop it on and see. So let's take this off. It's very shiny. So the buckle is very similar. So a negative about this is that I found, so this is actually really scratched. I don't know if you can see it, and I'm really sad about that, but what can you do? At least I use it. And this is gold, so I prefer the gold. It's nice. I prefer the gold. So let's pop it on. So let's see. This is what it looks like. So it is a lot bigger, but it's not that huge. I quite like it. So you can wear it on the side, on the front, and then across the body if you want to. I really do like it, and I think it was such a bargain. So how much did I get this for? I had to go and check. So this is actually the 2 litre, and this is a 2.5 litre, which is actually really surprising because I really do feel like I'll be able to fit more into this than this, but it's obviously to do with the shape of the bag. So this is currently on sale as well, down to £44, which is really sad because I got it at full price, and I think I got 10% off, but you know, I am making use of it. This is actually £34 now in the sale, and it would be something where obviously you probably wear in autumn, winter, mainly winter, and in the beginning of spring when it's still cold, depending on the weather. So I do find that I put my fleece stuff away when it's spring and summer and mainly autumn. So I probably wouldn't use this as much, but it was cheaper and it's just so cute. I think it would get dirty easily, but it's just really nice. And I guess it is an alternative where if it's raining, I wouldn't mind wearing it, but it would get wet. It's not waterproof. Whereas this one is waterproof. You know, there's no staining. The only thing is the scratch at the back, but it's really hard wearing. I think this wouldn't be, but it would be nice to have a white belt bag as a change. So yes, you could wear it across the body like this. I prefer to wear it around the waist. It probably looks a bit weird around the hips, so it would have to go a bit higher up. I'm thinking of keeping it. I do like it, and it's one to add to the collection, and it's such a bargain. So go get it if you love belt bags. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you've got any questions or if there's any other belt bags that I could buy and add to my collection.